Hi, I'm Dr. Shieh, and if you're frustrated with wrinkles, scars, poor skin tone, and laxity, and you're looking to turn back the clock on your skin and reveal a more youthful, radiant look, I have just the treatment for you. Collagen Induction Therapy. This innovative treatment is designed to naturally stimulate collagen production, a key protein that helps keep your skin smooth, firm, and youthful. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, acne scars, sun damage, or enlarged pores, collagen induction therapy can work wonders for your complexion. It helps to smooth the wrinkles, fade scars, and even out skin tone and tighten your skin, giving you a refreshed and rejuvenated appearance. One of the best things about this treatment is that it stimulates the body's healing response to produce new collagen and elastin for skin rejuvenation. The process sends immune cells to start healing, produces new skin cells where collagen is produced, and remodels the skin, making the skin stronger and smoother. The results develop naturally over time, creating a lasting improvement in your skin's texture and overall health. You'll notice your skin becoming firmer, more radiant, and smoother with each session. Collagen induction therapy is perfect for anyone looking for a natural, effective way to rejuvenate their skin and maintain that youthful glow. So if you're ready to refresh and renew your skin, let's get started on your journey to radiant, youthful skin. I look forward to helping you achieve your best self here at RejuvaYou Medical.